Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will understand user interface of Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. So I have opened my existing slide in which I have created presentations, and throughout these tutorials we will working on this presentation. So let's see various features provided by Microsoft PowerPoint. So first we will see Office button, which is in left hand side upper corner. So click on that Office button. Using the Office button you can do lots of things like if you want to create a new presentation, then you have to click on the new button. You can open the existing presentation by open option. Suppose I want to open my existing presentation, then I will click on the open and locate the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation and click on the presentation. So presentation is open. So this way you can open your presentation. You can convert your presentation to XML file format. Using save, you can save your presentation. So presentation will be saved. You can also save your presentation in PDF format or any earlier version of PowerPoint, and you can also save it in PowerPoint show. Print option provide various print setup option which we will see in this tutorial, and this is the proofing option provided by PowerPoint. You can send your presentation to your friends or any colleagues of office by using this option. You can publish your presentation on CDs, internet or any other management server, and using close option you can close your presentation. So this is the Office button options. Now in PowerPoint there are certain ribbons are available like home, insert, design, animations, slideshows, review, view and add-ins. So these ribbons provide various functionality to create presentation. We can say this is our toolbars to create presentation. For example, insert ribbon is used to create tables, illustration means graphics related, objects, pictures, clip art, photo album, shapes. You can also create links and text related options and media clips. So this is the use of insert ribbon, and you can insert these all things provided in these insert ribbons. And in design ribbon you can set your design of your presentation. In animation you can set animation effects to your presentation. Slideshow option provide your making the slideshow of your presentation. Review provides various proofing option like spell checking, research, translating. View provide various view option of your presentation, and add-ins provides various add-ins if you have installed in your PowerPoint. So these are the various options provided by Microsoft PowerPoint 2007 to create presentation. So this is about user interface of Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. Thank you.